Hey everyone, welcome back to Maditechs. Today I'm reviewing the brand new MacBook Pro M5 and I've been using it every day for one full week. Editing videos, testing battery life, running benchmarks, everything. Apple calls this the most advanced 14-inch Pro laptop ever. And honestly, this upgrade feels different. Let's get started. So inside the box you get the MacBook Pro M5 and the braided USB-C to MagSafe cable. And that's all. Here in Europe, Apple no longer includes power adapter, so I had to order the 96-watt charger separately, which is the one you need if you want fast charging. Just something to keep in mind when you're buying this model. From the outside, the design looks identical to last year, and honestly, that's not a bad thing. This is still one of the best build laptops you can buy. The aluminum body feels premium, the hinge is smooth, the keyboard is excellent, and the trackpad is still the best on any laptop, period. The speaker system is also amazing. No other 14-inch laptop gets close. So even though the design is unchanged, the overall experience is extremely refined. The display is one of the main reasons people buy a MacBook Pro, and this M5 model keeps the same incredible XDR panel with a few subtle improvements. You get 14.2-inch liquid Retina XDR, 3024x1964 resolution, 1000 nits sustained brightness, 1600 nits HDR peak, 120Hz ProMotion, and P3 wide color support. HDR video look unreal on this screen. The highlights are bright, blacks are deep, and colors look extremely accurate. If you edit videos, color grade, or work with photography, this display is one of the best you can get on any laptop. Apple continues to dominate in this category. The speakers are loud, detailed, and surprisingly rich for a 14-inch machine. The 1080p webcam has good dynamic range, and the microphones sound clean enough for clean calls or even voiceovers. It's a very polished media experience. Now, performance. The new M5 chip brings a solid jump in both speed and efficiency. We get a 10-core CPU, a 10-core GPU, improved memory bandwidth, a 16-core neural engine, and hardware-accelerated ray tracing in daily use. Everything feels instant, apps open fast, multitasking is smooth, and the system remains extremely responsive even with dozens of windows open. If you're upgrading from M1 or M2, this is a huge improvement. Even from M3, you'll feel it, especially in GPU-heavy tasks. I tested it with everything. H.265, 10-bit 4K, 8K RAW, multicam timelines. The M5 handled all of it with no issue. Playback was smooth, stabilizing footage was fast, and exports were noticeably quicker. And the best part, the fans hardly ever turn on. This is one of the quietest editing laptops I've ever used. My unit is the 1TB version, and SSD speeds are even faster than the 512GB model, offering higher read-write performance that's ideal for large video projects and professional workflows. Battery life, this is where the M5 really impressed me. Apple claims up to 24 hours of playback, and while I didn't get that, the real-world results were fantastic. In my testing, I got 10 to 12 hours of mixed everyday use, 7 to 8 hours while editing videos, and almost no battery drain during light tasks. The M5 chip is incredibly efficient, and the battery life is one of the biggest reasons this model feels like an upgrade. And now, something important: fast charging. The MacBook Pro M5 supports fast charge through MagSafe, and with the 96-watt adapter, you can go from 0% to 50% in around 30 minutes. Because Apple doesn't include the power adapter in Europe, I bought the 96-watt on myself. And if you want fast charging, you absolutely need that version. What really surprised me is that the laptop stays cool while fast charging, even during heavy tasks like sporting or editing. Apple's power management is extremely efficient, and if you're someone who works on the go, this is a big advantage. Plug it in to 20 to 30 minutes and you get several hours of use back. This laptop runs very cool. Even under load, the keyboard stays comfortable and the fans are whisper quiet. Apple's cooling system combined with the efficiency of the M5 chip makes a noticeable difference. Ports and connectivity. You get the same set of ports as before: HDMI, SD card slot, MagSafe through USB-C, and headphone jack. But note, this model uses Thunderbolt 4, not Thunderbolt 5. For most people it's fine, but for high-end external SSDs or 8K monitor setups, it might matter. Pros and cons. For pros, a stunning XDR display, excellent battery life, very strong M5 performance, silent and cool, amazing speakers, best trackpad in the industry, premium build quality, and fast charging option. And for cons, no charger included in Europe, Thunderbolt 4 instead of 5, design unchanged, expensive, and not a major upgrade for M4 users. So should you buy the MacBook Pro M5? If you're upgrading from M1 or M2, absolutely yes. From M3, yes, especially if you do creative work. For M4, no, the differences are smaller, but the battery and efficiency improvements are real. Overall, this laptop feels like Apple took everything that was already great and refined it even more. That's why I said at the beginning, this upgrade feels different. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I always reply. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.